In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Squarespace site colors. First, open your Squarespace site editor so you can make live style changes. From your dashboard, select the site you want to work on and enter the editor view. You'll see your pages on the canvas and a settings or design sidebar depending on your version. We'll stay in this area for the entire process so you can see updates as you make them. Next, head to the Site Styles panel. This is where global design controls live. If you're not seeing it right away, look for a Styles or Design option in the sidebar, then open the area labeled Site Styles. Think of this panel as the home base for how your site looks and feels. Fonts, spacing, and of course, colors. Inside Site Styles, find the color settings for your site. This may appear as a colors section, a palette block, or a theme selector. Squarespace typically groups colors into palettes that automatically map to elements like backgrounds, text, links, and buttons. Using these grouped settings helps keep your design consistent across pages. Now, choose the color palette or individual colors you want to change. If you have brand colors, this is a great time to enter their values so your site reflects your identity. You can click into each color swatch to pick from the color picker or paste a hex code. Start with your primary brand color, then define secondary and accent colors to support it. Adjust the colors for backgrounds, text, buttons, or sections as needed. As you tweak, notice how the palette applies across different elements. Aim for strong contrast between text and backgrounds to keep content readable. For example, pair dark text with light backgrounds and reserve your boldest color for calls to action like primary buttons. If a particular section needs a different mood, like a dark hero section, adjust that section's background and ensure the text within remains easy to read. Preview the changes to make sure the new colors look right across the site. Click through key pages, test light and dark sections, and check different button styles. If your editor offers device previews, glance at mobile and tablet views to confirm that contrast and spacing still feel balanced on smaller screens. When you're happy with the results, save the style changes, look for a save or done button, and confirm your edits. Saving locks in the palette across your site, so visitors will immediately see the updated look, that's it. Your Squarespace colors are now customized, consistent, and ready to support your content.